Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. So Leo, this is your current energy, the Hanged Man. Have you guys put something on hold? Something or somebody or some relationship or some kind of a meeting, association, some kind of an offer. Something is there in your life which you have kept on hold. Okay, you don't want to talk about that, about that. You don't want to think about that. You are being very neutral right now. Okay, you must not be talking about it with anyone. Something is there in your life for which you just want your own time to think about it, or the aspects attached with your decisions, or perhaps you are like completely confused. What should you do, or what action you should take? All right, so rather than putting all your efforts, or rather than putting your heart and mind into a conflict situation, you are choosing to be silent, you are choosing to be neutral. Okay, you are feeling that okay, let's just not think about it. Okay, the moment that thing will happen, I am not going to do anything. Let that thing, let that person, let that relationship come to me naturally. I am not going to put any effort in that. I am not going to do anything about it. All right, so this is your current energy. Oh my god, we have 3 cards and these are your partner's current energy. King of Wands, 5 of Pentacles and 4 of Wands. Leo, your person is somebody who wants to take some actions, but they are afraid. Okay, they want to take action. See, this person, this is the king. This person is looking towards his wand. Okay, that means he has the power to take action. He has that authority to take action. Nobody is going to question them. Nobody is going to ask anything to them. Okay, because they are king. They have that power within them, but they are choosing to ignore it. They are choosing to they are not taking any action, or perhaps they are not taking this offer or that thing seriously in their life. And I know why they are doing this, because they are being somebody who was being judged by other people. In past, they must have been gone through some phases in their life where people must have judged them. Okay, where people must have abandoned them. Okay, where people must have left them in cold. So they feel so when it comes to that particular thing, they feel cold. They have no emotions. Seems like they have killed their own emotions. More than other people, they have killed their own emotions. Alright, but deep down in their heart, they have some sort of positivity into their life. They really want to see some good time in their life. But when it comes to love and relationship things, I'm seeing that this person has given up on this. Even though they want to have a stable life with somebody, they want to have a good life, they want to have a quality life. And I feel that they are being somebody who is manifesting their soulmate. Okay, perhaps this person is manifesting somebody, some solid relationship, some solid association, some solid meetings. Perhaps they are not showing it in front of you, or they are not confronting this thing, that they are feeling abandoned, they feel cheated, they feel betrayed, or they are manifesting something into their life. But yes, they are doing some manifestation work is going on. All right, so these 3 cards are your partner's current energy. Now let's see what you guys are thinking about each other. So we have, okay, 8 of Pentacles and King of Swords. Okay, this is the one card only. So Leo, this is you who thinks about this person as you see them as somebody who is a very workaholic person. Okay, this person doesn't have time to talk about anything. This person doesn't have time to think about anything. Okay, they don't want to think about anyone else. Okay, they are completely into work. Plus they are somebody who is very, very hardworking. They always put their heart and mind into a particular thing which they are doing. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is completely a workaholic person, who works 24/7, who doesn't have time to just see around what's happening around them. Okay, and sometimes you feel proud on them, and sometimes you feel angry on them. I think that's the reason you have kept this relationship on hold. You have kept this relationship and this person on hold just because you feel that this person doesn't have time for you. All right, so you feel that, okay, if this person doesn't have any time for me, then how can I be with him or with them? This could be one of the reasons why you have kept this relationship on hold. All right, on the other hand, King of Swords. Leo, your person sees you as somebody who is the king. Wow. I mean, they see you as somebody, the person who never tolerate any kind of nonsense from anyone. All right, and you are being somebody who never interfere in other person's life. You are the person who believes that it's okay, it's my life, it's my people, I'll handle it on my own. I don't want a third person's advice in this thing. I don't want anybody else to interfere in my life or in life of my loved ones. Okay, I'm capable enough to take my decisions on my own. I'm capable enough to take actions on my own. Okay, I am mature enough to do something in my life on my own. So you are being somebody who has a wall around you. Okay, and you don't want anybody else to cross that. You don't want anybody else to break that. Okay, the moment somebody tries to be in your territory, you just kill them. Okay, you just cut them out of your life without even giving it a thought, because you know that this person has some false intentions towards you. You do not tolerate anything like that in your life. Okay, you do not tolerate false people, liars, cheaters. It's a big no in your life for them. Hence you have hence you have made a wall around you. Only you and the person who has genuine emotions and genuine feelings towards you, they can enter in your territory. Otherwise it's a big no for everyone. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Leo, it's your card. It's your card. On the other hand, what your person is taking action towards you. Okay. Leo, I feel that you are taking this relationship, or you are taking this person as nothing. Okay, you are taking them as a challenge. You feel that it's okay if they are approaching towards me, or if they are coming towards me, I'll take it as a challenge, and I'll show them that, hey, I am superior to you. Okay, you are not going to control me. I can control you. You have no right to control me. I am the master of my life. I can control my life on my own terms. Okay, so that's why you see them as somebody who is a big time trouble for you, and that's why you are being very calm. Okay, you are being very calm, you are being very mature. Okay, because you know that the moment you start doing some kind of a big actions, they are definitely going to hurt you back. So now you take them as a challenge, you take them as a problem, you see them as a problem. And being a Leo, it's your card. Okay, being a Leo, you also know that how to tackle such situations. All right. So you are taking actions. It's not that you are not taking any action, but your approach is completely wrong. You are taking them as a challenge. All right. On the other hand, your person is being very sad, very sad. I don't know, they are not taking any action towards you, even though, I mean, they want to, they are manifesting something in their life, and probably it's you. Perhaps they are manifesting you, but they are not sure. Okay, I told you that this person is feeling betrayed, abandoned by their own people, by their own loved ones. Hence they are sitting idle here. They are not doing anything. They are just sitting all alone. They are not talking to anyone. They are not seeing anyone. Okay, perhaps you are somebody who is their wish fulfillment. Universe is offering them this new cup, and it's you. But they are being very sad. They are, feeling sorry about their past mistakes. They are not seeing that what universe is offering them. You are like their wish come true. You are like their wish come true. That's what I'm feeling, because it's you who is, or universe is offering them time and again, time and again. Universe always try to give them this cup of emotion. Okay, and it's you, but they are not doing any action because they are not aware, because their eyes are closed. Okay, now let's see what you feel in this relationship. Oh my god, oh my god. What you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. Oh, 3 of Cups in reverse. When it comes to this relationship, you feel that it is nothing but a complete waste of time. Okay, you see that it is like a dead relationship. See, I told you that you take them as a challenge. Okay, you're not thinking about them on an emotional level. You take them as a challenge. Okay, now this person has come into my territory. I need to show them who I am and what I am. All right. So this is the reason you are not feeling loved. You are feeling challenged. Okay, so there is no association, there is no meeting, there is no emotion in this relationship as of now. All right, now let's see what this person is feeling in this relationship. See, they are king. They are also feeling alone, aloof. They are somebody who has, see, it's not their mistake, because they have been betrayed by their own people so many times, and moreover they are not understanding the message which universe is trying to give them over and over again. So with this King of Pentacles, they are being somebody who is very sad. They have nobody to share their emotions, their love, their concerns, their worries, their sorrows. So yes, this person feels that, oh my god, I'm like completely alone. Nobody is there to listen to me, what I'm going through in life, to whom I should tell. Okay. Now let's see what's your mutual energy. What's the mutual energy? Two of Pentacles. Both of you are juggling a lot in your life, and the future potential is High Priestess. With this card, Two of Pentacles, your mutual feeling is that both of you are juggling into your own life. Okay, there are emotions within both of you, but you guys are choosing to ignore it. Okay, there is a strong wave of emotion just behind your back, but it's you who is choosing to ignore it, and it's your partner who is choosing to ignore it. You take them as a challenge. They are ignoring the divine offers. What else it is? What else it is? You guys are juggling into your own thoughts, into your own energies. You feel that nothing is going to happen with me. Nobody's going to love me. Nobody's going to understand me. Nobody's going to console me. Why this thing happening with me? Why this thing happening with? Why not this thing happening with me, or something like that, and blah blah blah. So both of you are juggling a lot at this point of time. And yes, in future I can see with this High Priestess card that somebody is going to hide something from the other person. Let's just clarify why this High Priestess is here. Why this High Priestess is here. High Priestess card. Somebody is hiding from somebody. Either you are hiding something from them or they are hiding something from you. I don't know. Oh my God, Two of Cups. I think that Leo, it's you who is going to offer them something in future, because see, you are the one who is taking them as a challenge. They are not even aware about your existence in this world. So it's you who is taking them as a challenge, and I feel that in future you are going to confront, or you are definitely going to feel some kind of a bonding, some kind of a connection with them. And being a Leo, being a superior, as that's how you feel yourself, that I know everything and nobody can control me. So you are definitely going to hide your emotions. How can I love this person? How can I show myself that I am the weak? But that's not the case, and that should not be the case. All right, so it's you who is going to start feeling something for them, who is going to offer them something new, or offer them something in terms of emotion and love. But you are definitely going to hide your emotions very badly. Please don't do that. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. Let's take some angel messages. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. I think you should wait for the perfect timing. Okay, because the moment your timing will be correct, your timing will be right, all the things will start taking place on their own. Okay, when the time will be correct, they are definitely going to open their eyes. They cannot be in this energy for the rest of their life. They have to open their eyes, either today or tomorrow. They have to open their eyes, right? So you need to wait for the perfect timing, Leo. And you never know, till that time you are also start feeling something for them. You never know. Alright, so we have Pisces in this reading with this Hangman and the High Priestess. Some of you could be dealing with another Leo with this Strength card. We have Fire sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Wands, Four of Wands. And yes, some of you could be dealing with Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Two of Cups, Four of Cups and Three of Cups. Three of Cups in reverse. We have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with this Eight of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. And of course we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Swords. Alright, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.